Speaking engagements are a great way to raise your profile, and here's why. Speaking engagements move industries forward to make a difference. They're an opportunity to drive change and get people thinking about how they can make positive changes. They're great for PR and a way to demonstrate your expertise and get known within your industry. Speaking engagements give you more exposure, build your credibility, and position you as a thought leader. In turn, this will establish you as a person to be trusted. Speaking engagements are a great way to build connections and connect with your audience. It's much easier to build a relationship with people in real life. You'll also meet other speakers, which could lead to exciting opportunities you may not have had access to. Earlier this year, I was fortunate enough to be asked to speak at the Elite Business Live event down in London. It was a fantastic opportunity for me to network with the other speakers, some of whom were very well known, and it was great to learn from them. I also got to spend time with the owners of Elite Business, which resulted in me being offered a regular column with them, which has turned into so many opportunities since and is super fun. The audience will listen to what you have to say as you've established yourself as a thought leader, making you stand out from the average professional within your field. Clients will think of you as an expert and the go-to person, leading to referrals and future lead generation. It can also help close deals by inviting prospective clients to see you in action.